Most dog owners believe grooming begins and ends with a brush, yet the truth hides in places they rarely touch until discomfort becomes impossible to ignore. Under the calm surface of a well-brushed coat, hidden friction points begin forming mats long before an owner notices any change in appearance or behavior. This is where education becomes essential, because understanding a dog's body map transforms routine care into preventative protection that can save both comfort and health. Veterinarians and experienced groomers often point out that matting does not begin randomly, but concentrates in predictable zones where movement, moisture, and pressure collide. Today's journey follows insights inspired by Dr. Becker, whose perspective on holistic animal care encourages deeper awareness of subtle physical changes before they become serious grooming emergencies. We begin by looking closer at the hidden regions under the ears, behind the elbows, and along the tail base, where tiny knots quietly tighten without warning, slowly restricting movement in ways most owners never anticipate until the dog starts to react differently during touch or play. At first glance, everything may appear normal, yet beneath the coat's outer layer, a silent progression unfolds, one that mirrors how neglect often begins not with obvious damage, but with overlooked detail. This is the turning point where awareness becomes protection, and where every careful inspection begins to reveal the story the skin has been trying to tell all along. We continue this exploration with the same philosophy emphasized by Dr. Becker, focusing not only on grooming itself, but on the deeper responsibility of observing, understanding, and responding before discomfort escalates into distress. Because when grooming is approached with patience and attention, even the most neglected areas begin to soften, revealing healthier skin, improved comfort, and a stronger bond between human and animal built on trust rather than correction. Many owners underestimate how quickly a small tangle can evolve into a dense mat, especially in high-risk zones where friction and moisture continuously interact throughout the day. By the time visible signs appear, the underlying discomfort may already be significant, which is why consistent inspection becomes more important than occasional grooming sessions. We end this section with a reminder that prevention is never an act of perfection, but a steady commitment to noticing what others overlook. And in doing so, we honor both the physical well-being and emotional sensitivity of the animals who depend on us completely. Every small inspection becomes a gesture of care that compounds over time, building resilience in the coat, preventing pain before it starts, and strengthening the silent communication between human awareness and animal comfort in ways that are often felt more than seen. We carry this understanding forward as a foundation for the next part of the journey, where deeper grooming zones will be revealed and the unseen challenges of coat maintenance become even more important to recognize and address with consistency and care. Each observation matters deeply in preserving long-term comfort and well-being for every cherished companion. Always forward care. And we move deeper into the hidden anatomy of a dog's coat, where everyday movement quietly shapes the most vulnerable grooming zones that owners rarely think about until problems begin to surface. The areas beneath the armpits, along the inner thighs, and around the collar line are constantly exposed to friction, warmth, and moisture, creating the perfect environment for mats to develop silently over time. As the coat compresses with each step, small tangles begin to interlock, tightening gradually in ways that are nearly invisible during a quick daily glance, yet they hold increasing tension beneath the surface. At this stage, awareness becomes critical, and guidance from veterinary voices such as Dr. Becker emphasizes that early detection is not about grooming perfection, but about preventing discomfort before it escalates into pain. Then comes a subtle shift that many owners miss entirely, because the dog begins to adjust its posture in small ways, shifting weight or avoiding touch without any obvious sign of injury or distress. What appears as minor sensitivity may actually be the beginning of a tightly formed mat pulling on the skin, creating pressure points that grow more uncomfortable with every passing hour. And then something important happens that changes everything for attentive caregivers. Because hidden beneath the thickest part of the coat, a dense knot can suddenly tighten into a painful cluster that resists simple brushing and signals a deeper grooming emergency unfolding quietly in real time. We deepen exploration of high-risk zones where neglect tends to accumulate first, especially behind the ears, under the tail base, and along the paws where moisture and debris collect without interruption. In these regions, even slight changes in airflow or grooming frequency can determine whether the coat remains flexible or slowly transforms into a compacted layer that traps heat and restricts movement. This is the moment where vigilance matters most, because what seems like ordinary shedding can actually hide a forming mat that tightens with every day of overlooked care. But there is one zone almost every owner misses entirely until the situation becomes impossible to ignore. And what lies beneath that unnoticed area can surprise even experienced groomers when first discovered. At this point, attention sharpens, because Dr. Karen Becker often reminds caregivers that the coat is not just hair, but a living indicator of internal and external balance. Every overlooked tangle becomes part of a larger story, one that reveals how daily routines either support comfort or gradually contribute to hidden strain. When we slow down enough to examine these patterns closely, we begin to understand that grooming is less about appearance and more about prevention of silent discomfort. The final realization begins to form as caregivers discover that neglect is rarely intentional, but often simply unnoticed until the body's signals demand attention. We move forward, carrying this awareness into deeper layers of inspection, where each hidden region will reveal new lessons about care, patience, and the responsibility that comes with truly understanding a dog's well-being today. We now enter the final stage of understanding the most overlooked grooming zones on a dog's body, where the smallest oversight can quietly evolve into a serious comfort issue that most owners only recognize when it becomes visibly severe. At this point, awareness transforms into action, because every hidden mat tells a story of time, movement, and neglect that was never intentional but simply unnoticed in daily life. The chest area beneath, thick fur, the tight folds near the hind legs, and the narrow spaces between paw pads often collect debris and moisture that gradually bind the hair into compact knots that resist even careful brushing and make routine grooming more difficult than expected. What makes these areas especially dangerous is not just their sensitivity, but their constant contact with motion, which turns every step into a tightening mechanism that slowly pulls the skin without obvious warning. This is where the philosophy of preventative care becomes essential, as emphasized by Dr. Karen Becker, who consistently encourages a deeper, more observant relationship with animal health that begins long before symptoms appear. And yet, even with knowledge, many caregivers are still surprised when they discover how quickly a minor tangle can become a dense mat that traps heat, restricts circulation, and creates silent discomfort beneath what appears to be a healthy coat. There is a moment during grooming when everything changes, when a simple inspection reveals something unexpected hiding under layers that seemed perfectly fine just hours earlier. That moment often brings hesitation, because the knot feels larger, tighter, and more embedded than anything previously noticed, signaling that time has already played a significant role in its formation. But within that realization lies a powerful lesson, because prevention is always more effective than correction, and awareness is always more valuable than reaction, as Dr. Karen Becker often highlights in her approach to animal wellness. True care is not measured in occasional effort, but in consistent attention to the subtle changes that occur daily. When caregivers begin to shift from reactive grooming to mindful observation, the entire relationship with the animal deepens into something more intuitive and protective. Each inspection becomes a quiet conversation where touch replaces assumption and awareness replaces surprise, allowing comfort to remain uninterrupted. Even the most severe grooming issues begin as something small, something easy to miss, something that could have been resolved with a few seconds of attention during a routine check. And so the lesson becomes clear, not as a warning, but as an invitation to see more, notice more, and respond earlier than ever before. At this point, consistent observation becomes the most powerful tool any caregiver can develop, because it allows subtle changes in coat texture, skin sensitivity, and behavior response to be identified early, preventing discomfort from escalating and ensuring that grooming remains supportive experience rather than reactive emergency now. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.